This first highlight sums up the Los Angeles Lakers season without Kobe Bryant. The first year, look at D'Angelo Russell. Give that guy a manual. What are you doing? You already know that that's going on. Shaq in a fool. Even Julius Randle realizes that's a new move. Can Russell and the Lakers redeem themselves in this game? Spin move in the lane. Julius Randle trying to get the Lakers back on track. They're down by 1, 2 minutes to play. It's Clarkson, another spin move. It's going down to the wire. Big man in transition. He had a career high in this game, 29 points. He gives it up to get it back and take the lead with 1:18 to play. Clarkson off the pick and roll, another spin move. He's spin cheesing. Every time he scores, he's spinning in this game. They take the lead, 57 seconds. Who are they going to? It's TJ McConnell. That's their clutch man, fading in the lane to take the lead again. It's a back and forth affair at the free throw line. The career high man misses the second free throw. Randall with the rebound. He's going to take it coast to coast for the game. Then it's off. The 76ers win a clutch game on the road in LA. A very important game for both teams. Spin move gets rejected. Harden playing some defense, and then he gets fouled. Wow, he really wants to be the MVP if he's playing defense, but did he flop there? Was that a Beard flop? Look, he's playing defense again. Another steal. Can you believe it? James Harden.